Hello everyone, this video is about sericulture. Sericulture or silk forming is the agro-industry of raising silkworms to produce raw silk from their cocoons. Word sericultures come from the Greek word serikos meaning silk and English or Latin word culture meaning rearing or cultivation. So combining to mean the art or science of rearing silkworm for silk production. Next, the main silkworm used for silk is the mulberry silkworm, that is Bombyx mori, which produce the majority of world's high quality shimmering silk by feeding on mulberry leaves. Bombyx mori, which is named as mulberry silkworm, is the most common domesticated silkworm known for producing fine, lustrous, white or cream colored silk, which is also called as mulberry silk. So next is tussar silkworm. It's a white silkworm producing cursor golden brown silk, which is also called as tussar silk. It will feed oak and other trees leaves for the production of tussar silk. Next is muga silkworm, which produces precious golden muga silk, which is unique to Assam and India. Next is hairy silkworm, which is also called as castor silkworm. It produces soft cotton-like airy silk by heating castor leaves. Discovery of sericulture. It was discovered in ancient China according to the legends by Empress Lai-Ru, wife of mythical Yellow Emperor, when cocoon fell in her tea, leading to the study of la silkworm. So next, it was kept secretly. China granted sericulture as a closely held secret, making silk a highly valuable trade commodity. It spreaded via Silk Road. Next is steps involved in sericulture. So one is moriculture, second one is rearing of silkworm, next cocoon harvesting, silk processing. Moriculture. Purpose of moriculture is to grow mulberry plants to feed silkworm for silk production. Methods. Common methods include using stem cutting, seeds or grafting mulberry plants. Planting. Cutting with 3 to 4 buds are planted and regular running encourage new nutrition shoots. Next, ideal condition for growing of mulberry plants are prefer temperature between 24 to 28 degrees Celsius, good humidity and sufficient sunshine, growing well in various climate. Harvesting technique like leaf picking, branch cutting or top shoot harvesting are used to supply leaves to different silkworm stages. Role in sericulture is quantity and quality of leaves from the moriculture directly affect the silkworm health and consequently the quality of silk produced. Next step is rearing of silkworm. So first one is egg incubation and hatching. Hatch eggs at 24 to 26 degrees Celsius with 80 to 90% humidity. Newly hatched worms larvae are carefully transferred to the feather onto trays with finely chopped tender mulberry leaves. Next, chowky rearing. Feeding. Provide fresh tender leaves cut into small pieces 3 to 4 times daily, ensuring adequate nutrition. Environment. Maintain 27 to 28 degrees Celsius and 80 to 90 humidity. Cleaning. Use paraffin papers to keep leaf fresh and maintain humidity. Next, mounting. Stop feeding, reduce bed thickness and apply lime powder before worms settle to molt. Next, late age rearing. Feeding. Large leaves whole are chopped. Feed 3 to 4 times daily. Environment. Adjust space and ventilation. Ensure good air circulation. Next, hygiene. Daily bed cleaning becomes crucial at these stages. Next, mounting. When worms are matured, transfer them to mountages for spinning. Apply a solution like shampoo to leaves for uniform spinning. So this is late age rearing. Next stage is cocoon harvesting. After 7 to 10 days, once worms form cocoons, that is pupa stage, they are harvested for silk extraction. Cocoons are collected before the pupa insert transforms into moths. So this is the cocoon harvesting. Next, last stage is silk processing. First one is reeling. Cocoons are boiled, steamed to soften sericin, allowing single silk filament to be unwounded onto reels, forming a single thread. Next is spinning or twisting. Raw silk filaments are spun and twisted into stronger yarns. Next, dyeing and weaving. The yarn is dyed and woven into various silk fabrics and the products. This is a silk processing step: reeling, spinning, and dyeing. Next, here we have the common diseases of silkworms. One is grassery, which is also called as milky disease, caused by the virus. Symptoms is larva becomes pale, loss appetite, and the body filled with the milky fluid, leading to the death. So next, flashery, which is also called as digestive diseases. So this is caused by the virus, bacteria, and other microbial agents also. So symptoms is larva stops eating, becomes sluggish, and die, often with a foul smell. So these are the symptoms and causes of glacieri and the flashery. Next is muscardine, caused by the fungi. Symptoms is larvae become inactive, turn hard, and are covered with white or green fungal growth, common in high humidity. Next, pebrine, which is caused by the protozoan. Symptoms are black, pepper-like on the body surface, stunted growth, and a high mortality, highly contagious. So this is about the diseases. Managing and preventing the diseases. Very first one is hygiene, strict cleaning and disinfection of rearing houses and equipments. Next is disease free eggs, starts with sterilized healthy silkworm eggs. Next, environment, control temperature and humidity, as high humidity favors fungal growth. Isolation, promptly remove and dispose of infected larvae to prevent the spread. These are the few precautions to be taken to reduce the diseases. So next, important silk center in India. Center Silk Research Center is located in Mysore. Next, Jharkhand Silk Development Institute, which is present in Ranchi. Next, Central Silk Technology Institute is present in Bangalore. Here we have life cycles of silkworms. Life cycles of silkworms includes 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa, which is also called as cocoon stage. Next is adult moth. These are the 4 steps involving in life cycles of silkworm. The first stage is egg stage. Female moth lay hundreds of tiny oval eggs on mulberry leaves. So duration is 9 to 12 days, longer for overwintering. Okay, so next stage is larva stage, which is also called as caterpillar stage. Egg hatches into larva that continuously feeds on mulberry leaves, growing rapidly. This stage involves several moths shedding of their skins, and the primary growth phase duration is 20 to 28 days. Next is pupa or cocoon stage. The larva spins a protective cocoons around itself using a silk secreted from its salivary glands, becoming a pupa inside. Next, this is a non-moving transformative stage. Duration is 8 to 15 days. Next stage is adult stage, which is also called as the moth stage. A silk moth emerges from the cocoon seeking a mate. Moths do not heat and die shortly after mating and laying egg, completing the cycle. So this duration is 3 to 10 days. So thank you for watching this video.